friends today are going to draw a birthday present.
Yeah, with a cake popping out of it. We hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some
paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
Actually, we need to fold the paper first before we use our marker. We'll put those off to the side. We're also using marker paper to draw on. This helps our markers last a lot longer. Okay, first, let's fold our paper, and we're going to take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge. Once you get it lined up in both corners, you're going to crease it down the middle and out to the edge. Yeah, then we're going to take the top flap, and we're going to fold it back up to the top edge and crease it down. Then we're going to flip our paper over and repeat that same step. Take the top flap and fold it up to the top. This is just a guide fold, so let's unfold it, flatten it out, and then flip it back over. When you're all done, it should open up like this. And before we start drawing, let's also add a scratch piece of paper underneath our drawing paper just to protect our table from the markers. Let's first draw the present on our paper, and we're going to draw a big square. Let's draw a line that comes down like this, and I'm going to come down close to the bottom of the paper. Then we'll leave some space, and we'll draw another line straight down. Oh, I kind of drew mine off to the right. That's okay. Yes. And you could even come down a little closer to the bottom of the paper too if you want. Then the bottom of our two lines will connect, and this part of the present is thicker than the top. This will be the lid for our present, so we'll connect the top also. And then we'll have room for the bow. Let's draw the ribbon first. I'm going to draw two lines straight down from the middle. Yeah. And then let's draw the bow. I'm going to draw an upside down U shape for the knot. And then I'm going to draw the bow different. I'm going to draw it curving like this, and I'm going to draw this one curving too out. Then we could also draw the inside of the bow. I'm going to draw another loop that comes around like this. Almost looks like a sideways raindrop. Yeah. And we could also draw little wrinkle lines too if we want. Now we're ready to open up our paper. Let's unfold it, and we can flatten it out so it's easier to draw on. We should have half of our present up here, or the lid up here, and the bottom of our present down here. Now let's extend the bottom up. So on each side, we'll come up higher than this bottom fold. Then we can connect those two lines together, and we can also extend the ribbon up higher also. Let's do the same thing except with the top. We're going to extend it down past the top fold. We can connect those two lines together. And if we ever go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need extra time. Now let's extend the ribbon past the fold also. There we go. There's our present. It's a really simple way to draw a folding surprise present for a birthday card. This would be really fun to give to someone for their birthday.
Yeah, that would be really cute.
Yeah, and you could also add anything to the inside. We're going to add a birthday cake. So first, let's draw the cake. And we're going to draw it coming out from the side here and also here. And I think I'm going to draw it kind of diagonal, so it's not just straight across. Yeah, and then let's draw the drips from the frosting. I'm going to start here and draw a drip that connects to the side. We're going to go out past the side of the cake. We could do the same thing over here. I'm going to jump over to this side, and we'll draw a drip here too. Now let's connect with more drips. I'm going to draw some of them coming down further. Maybe some can be small and bigger. Oh, we could even draw a really big one. And then a small one right at the end. Yeah, that looks really cool. Now let's draw the top of our cake. I'm going to draw it coming across and connecting to the other side. Then we could also add candles. We could add toppings first. I'm going to draw circles on top Maybe these are like gumballs. You could add different things as decorations to your cake. You could add fruit. You could add, what else? Whoa, sprinkles.
Fruit?
Yeah, fruit for your cake. But this would be a fruit cake.
Fruit cake.
Now let's add the candles. And I'm going to draw the first candle right here. And maybe I'll draw these kind of small so that we can fit the fire or the wick on top of the candle. I'm going to draw 3. Well, the lid on my present's going to catch on fire.
Yes.
So we got the 3 candles sticking up. Let's draw the wick also sticking out. And then we're going to draw the fire. I'm going to draw a raindrop shape on top of the wick. Well, this one's inside of the present. Yeah, that's gonna catch on fire. That's a fire hazard. Okay, now let's add a funny face to our cake. I'm gonna draw a cute little smile right here, and maybe even big eyes. Then I'm gonna draw the same size circle over here. You could even change your eyes, add a different funny face. Maybe your cake is screaming happy birthday. I'm gonna draw or color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Oh, I like that your mouth is open.
Thanks.
That's really cute. I'm gonna do that too. I'm gonna draw my mouth really big. It's gonna come past the present.
Ginormous.
Yeah. And I'm gonna add teeth and also a tongue sticking out, and then I'm gonna color in the back of the mouth. Ooh, and cheek lines. There we go.
I had some eyelashes.
Nice.
Oh, I'm gonna color this in.
We did it, Hadley. We finished drawing our cake inside of our present, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yes. This part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. And at the very end, if you want, you could pause the video to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our birthday presents, and they turned out awesome. I especially love that you colored yours pink. I did mine blue and yellow.
I like it.
Thank you. All right, let's show our friends the inside.
Okay.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
We also colored our cakes different, and I even added more frosting to make it look like it's exploding out of my present. You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring.
Or you could color it any way you want.
Yeah, and we also used our Art for Kids Hub markers to color with. And if you want to use the same colors that I used, use 66 blue for the present, 35 yellow, and also 23 orange for the cake. And then also the pink is 88. What colors did you use for yours?
I used 87 for the ribbon.
Oh, that's a dark pink.
Then a light pink, number 17 for the frosting. 89 is the pink that I used for the present, and 341 for the tongue.
And then you also used 33 yellow for the little sparkles.
Yeah, we hope you had a lot of fun drawing a birthday present with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add even more things to the inside. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.